let's delve into a book that shakes the foundation of how we understand our existence and the concept of time. Imagine living so fully in each moment that the past and future lose their grip on you, and you find peace and fulfillment in the present. This is what Eckhart Tolle explores in his transformative book, The Power of Now. In this audiobook summary, we will uncover the key lessons from Tolle's teachings that guide us on how to break free from the constraints of time, heal from past pain, and embrace the present as the true path to enlightenment. Whether you are seeking peace or a deeper connection with your inner self, this book offers profound insights. So, if you are ready to transform your life, stay tuned as we explore how to harness the power of the present moment. Remember, this very moment, the one you are living right now, is all you ever truly have. Stick around until the end to not only grasp the core concepts, but also to learn practical ways to apply these lessons in your daily life. Eckhart Tolle's journey. Eckhart Tolle's life was once marked by overwhelming depression and despair. At 29, he often found himself waking up in the middle of the night feeling utterly worthless, questioning the very purpose of his existence. Nights were long and dark, filled with a deep sense of emptiness that nothing, neither family, friends, nor work, could fill. But one morning, as the sunlight streamed through his window and the sound of a bird's chirping reached his ears, something shifted within him. Everything seemed new, and for the first time in his life, he noticed the beauty in the world around him. Tolle began to experience life in a new way, finding joy in the simplest of things, like a walk in the park or the rustle of leaves in the breeze. This transformation was so profound that people began asking him the secret to his happiness. His answer was simple: happiness is within you, but the noise of your mind often drowns it out. Discovering inner wealth. Tolle shares a story about a beggar who had been sitting on an old box for years, begging for money. One day, a stranger asked him if he had ever looked inside the box. When the beggar finally pried it open, he was shocked to discover it was filled with gold. The moral? We often search for happiness outside ourselves, forgetting that the real treasure lies within. The wealth of inner peace, self-acceptance, and contentment is always within reach if we choose to look inward. Living in the present. Why do we suffer? Because we are trapped in time, either reliving the past or worrying about the future. Tolle suggests that the key to overcoming pain and sorrow lies in living fully in the present moment. He challenges us to let go of the past, stop fearing the future, and embrace the now. By doing so, we can experience life as it truly is, without the baggage of regret or anxiety. The power of presence. Being present means being fully aware of your surroundings and your inner self. Tolle emphasizes the importance of this state of presence, where no other thoughts disturb your peace. This awareness allows you to experience the world in a more profound way, free from the mind's constant chatter. Connecting with your inner body. Tolle encourages us to connect with our inner body, the formless, limitless energy within us. By doing so, we can slow down the aging process, strengthen our immune system, and protect ourselves from negative emotions. This connection to our inner body is the gateway to true power and peace. Embracing the unmanifested. The unmanifested is the state of pure being, a state of timelessness and peace that we can access by surrendering to the present moment. Tolle teaches us to surrender to the now, to let go of anything that prevents us from enjoying the present, and to merge with the universal energy that flows through everything. Enlightened relationships. Tolle also explores the nature of love and relationships, emphasizing that true love comes from acceptance of both ourselves and others. Instead of trying to change others, we should embrace their true nature. True love, Tolle explains, is living in the present and loving ourselves and everything around us. Beyond happiness and unhappiness. True peace lies beyond the duality of happiness and unhappiness. It comes from accepting life as it is, without judgment or resistance. Tolle shares the story of an old man who, despite being on his deathbed, remains serene and at peace, having accepted his fate without fear or regret. The meaning of surrender. Surrendering means accepting what is, without fear or bitterness. It's about recognizing the situation you're in and taking action without letting negative emotions take control. Tolle reminds us that surrendering is not about giving up, but about accepting reality and moving forward with clarity and peace. Conclusion. In the power of now, Eckhart Tolle teaches us that the key to a fulfilled life lies in the present moment. By letting go of the past and not worrying about the future, we can fully embrace the now, the only moment that truly exists. The treasure we've been searching for is already within us, waiting to be discovered. So, start appreciating what you have today and let go of the anxieties that hold you back. Remember, every challenge can become easier when we learn to accept and live in the present. Thank you for joining us in exploring these powerful insights. If you found value in this summary, take a moment to reflect on how you can apply these lessons in your life. And don't forget to subscribe for more content that inspires and uplifts. Till next time, remember, the power of now is in your hands.